Hello, still on our grinder. We are going to remove all this coffee from our grinder, all these small parts. So anti-clockwise, we adjust the screw holder anti-clockwise way so that we can remove our cover, the grinder cover, from this grinder. Then after removing this, we remove the flapper. This flapper, we remove it so that we clean it very well. This combination of this rubber and the metallic part is called the flapper. After removing our flapper, then that's when we bring our vacuum. We vacuum out all the remaining parts of the coffee. We try to make sure all is removed thoroughly, very well. Then the next step, we remove this metallic part. It's called the cute. It's where coffee passes. Remove it very well and clean it very well.